Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a digital drawing application called Krita. If you are into digital drawing or want to start, Krita is a great option for you. It is a free drawing software available for Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. You can download it from Krita's official website. It is a very simple and user-friendly software with many tools and options. Let's get started with the tutorial. When you first open Krita, you will see a workspace with many options. On the left side, you have various tools, and on the right side, you have the Color Selector and Layers panel. When you select a tool from the left panel, the tool options related to it will appear below. Below the Layers panel, you will find the brush presets. To create a new file, click on the New File option. You can also access it from the menu. When creating a new file, you will see several templates and custom options. You can choose predefined file sizes such as A4 or 1920 x 1080 pixels. You can also manually set the width, height, and resolution. Additionally, you can choose between landscape and portrait orientation. After setting your preferences, select a background color and create a new file. Now let's talk about the tools. The freehand brush tool is one of the most important tools for drawing and coloring. After selecting this tool, you can choose different brush types from the brush presets. The Tool Options panel will display settings related to the selected brush. If you face difficulty in drawing smooth lines, you can use the Stabilizer feature in the Tool Options. The Line tool allows you to create straight lines in any direction. Similarly, the Ellipse tool helps you draw circles and ovals. If you want to create a perfect rectangle, you can use the Rectangle tool. Hold the Shift key while dragging to maintain perfect proportions. The Polygon tool allows you to create polygonal shapes. The Transform tool helps you resize and rotate selections. The selection tools are useful for selecting specific areas on the canvas. For example, if you have drawn something but want to adjust its position, you can use the Selection tool along with the Move tool to reposition it. Krita provides various selection tools, such as rectangular selection, elliptical selection, polygonal selection, and freehand selection. The magnetic selection tool is helpful when you want to select an area with precision. Simply drag the cursor along the edges, and it will automatically create a selection for you. The Crop tool is used to crop areas of the canvas. The Gradient tool allows you to fill selected areas with a smooth color transition. You can choose from predefined color patterns or create your own. The Fill tool helps you apply solid colors to selections or the entire canvas. Now let's explore the Advanced Color Selection panel, which allows you to pick and modify colors with precision. This panel includes an opacity slider that lets you adjust transparency by dragging it left or right. The brush size slider enables you to increase or decrease the thickness of your brush strokes, making it easy to switch between fine details and broad strokes. The color wheel is essential for selecting hues, shades, and tones, providing a wide range of color options. You can also customize its appearance to better suit your workflow, making color selection more intuitive and efficient. Next, the Layers panel is crucial in digital art for organizing different elements of your composition. When you create a new file, it usually includes two default layers, a white background layer and a transparent drawing layer. This setup helps keep your artwork structured and editable. To manage layers, you can rename them by double-clicking their names, making it easier to stay organized. Adding a new layer is simple. Just click the plus icon. You can also duplicate layers when you need an exact copy or delete unnecessary layers to keep your workspace tidy. Krita provides a variety of brush presets, including pencils, pens, and textured brushes. You can experiment with different brushes to see which ones you like best. To organize your favorite brushes, you can create a custom tag. Name this tag. Simply right-click on a brush, select Assign to Tag, and create a new tag. Later, you can access your favorite brushes easily from the Tag menu. That concludes our tutorial on using Krita's generative AI and essential tools. Thank you for watching.